Hey Non-Techies, this is Jess from Non-Techie HQ. In today's tutorial, we will go over how to add a new category on a WordPress blog. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you are at your WordPress dashboard, you will go to Post. In Post, you will click Categories. From here, you'll add the name of your category. The slug will automatically be added based on the name. If you want to put this category underneath a parent category, you can do that here. You'll choose the parent and it will list under there. And then you can add a description. Once you have your information in, you'll click Add New Category. From here, you'll see your new category was created with the name, description, and slug for that category. So that is how to add a new blog category on WordPress.